Namaste everyone. My name is Manish Gupta. I'm just here to share a very nice experience of my life. I attended a very nice session conducted by Nidhi ma'am and the Ayushman Yog organization on the relaxation techniques. And these were like, how do you instantly relax yourself, quickly relax yourself, or deeply relax yourself. I'm so happy that I kind of attended and joined this session. Very, very enlightening and transformation session. I'm so happy, and I have started using it regularly. And I'm already feeling the positive difference in my life. I'm more calm, more composed. You know that every day we have the challenging situations in our life, and these techniques enable me to overcome these difficult situations. So I want to express my deep appreciation and sincere thanks to Nidhi ma'am, to Ayushman Yog. They really have the dedication to promote such well-being, mindfulness among all the society. I'll be continue doing this. I highly encourage everyone to participate in this, and especially sessions conducted by Nidhi ma'am. She's amazing. Her expertise, her engaging style really makes a difference. So thank you so much again, Nidhi ma'am and Ayushman Yog. I'm really grateful for this, and I wish everybody does this for the whole society. I'm wishing everyone who is listening to me a very peaceful and rejuvenating journey. Namaste.